里的那些，都不看那个。
Look, heliconias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in the tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection center in the world, and the only one in Asia.
快点，快点，快点！你能看见吗？
像这边哈，像这个。
To your right, dazzling bright red-orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises.
是这样拍的啦。老婆，我拍就好了吗？好的，等一下我再跟你走。
To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crowned pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons, native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left, the world's largest collections of hornbills and toucans. It's made up of 25 flight aviaries, housing 18 species. To your right, windows on paradise. The bird of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to breed these stunning birds, the bird of paradise. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to make our first stop at the Lorry Loft, the world's largest lorry flight aviary, housing different species. Feed the colorful lorries. Have fun.